In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage teams with Trello. 5 minutes. We'll move quickly, but I'll make sure everything is clear so you can set up a simple, effective system for your team. Start by logging into Trello so you can access your workspace. From the home screen, create a new board. Give your board a name that clearly reflects the team or project it supports. Next, choose the right privacy setting. Private keeps it visible only to invited members, which is best for most teams. Public boards are visible to anyone with the link, so only use that when you truly want it widely accessible. Now, set up your lists. A common structure is to do, in progress, and done, which gives you a clean workflow. If you manage by function, you can also create lists by job title like design, development, and operations. Don't worry about getting it perfect on day one. You can rename or reorder lists as your process evolves. For role clarity, you can take it a step further. Create a list for each job title and add cards that describe the key responsibilities under that role. This turns your board into a living responsibility map, making it easier for everyone to understand who owns what. Add individual tasks as cards within the appropriate list. Keep card titles short and action-oriented, like Draft Q2 Roadmap. As work moves forward, you'll drag cards across lists to reflect progress. Open each card to add detail. Use the description to provide context, add checklists to break work into subtasks, and attach files or link to relevant documents so everything is in one place. This reduces back and forth and preserves decisions directly on the work item. Assign ownership by adding team members to the card. The assignee is the person responsible for moving it forward. You can also use @mentions in the card's comments to notify teammates, ask quick questions, or note handoffs without changing the primary assignment. Set due dates on cards to manage deadlines. Trello will track upcoming and overdue items, and you can visualize timelines using calendar or timeline views to spot bottlenecks and adjust workload before issues escalate. If you prefer a people-first view, create a list for each job title and a card for each person on the team. Add a photo, summarize responsibilities, and note estimated weekly hours. This makes capacity planning more transparent while keeping sensitive details to a minimum. And that's it. With a clear board, structured lists, detailed cards, and visible owners and deadlines, your team will know exactly what to do and when.